Hi everyone! Today we're in Niagara Falls and we're at the Niagara Botanical Gardens and we're gonna go for a really nice walk, and there's lots of snow and there's so many places in here you can explore. It's just beautiful in the winter, but I want to take you somewhere when we get near the end of our walk to show you something. It's gonna be really nice. Hopefully they're there, so I'm not going to tell you yet, but I brought some things with me so you'll see what we're going to do at the end, okay? So let's go and enjoy the walk. Oh, I forgot that it is Sunday afternoon. It's about 2:30 and it's about -3. A little bit windy, but otherwise a really nice sunny day. Okay, so let's go. So as you can see here, I have a bag with me. It says cheers, and I brought something in there to take with us, and then I have this. Yummy. So let me enjoy a little sip of this nice warm peppermint mocha, and we're gonna head out. So we're gonna start our walk at this entranceway right here, and this leads to pretty much all the areas. They all connect here, and then we'll make our way down the path and head on to this other place I was talking about earlier. But it's so nice here today. Beautiful snow everywhere. It's a little bit chilly, but not so bad. And I haven't done any walks since the last one. As you saw, I did the one in the falls after we had that big snowstorm, because it's just been too cold and I don't want to freeze, but today's not so bad, so I'm happy to get out here. You can see it's not really too many people here today. There's the odd people walking around. I see them. Some of them have their little walking sticks with them to help them get through the snow or wherever they're going. I just want to take you to show you some nice area over here. This here is the horticulture building. I think that's where, I think they have a school in there where they teach students horticulture. Hi. So this is where we're gonna go. Look at this, isn't this nice? Oh, I'm already crying from the wind. That's the problem with me, and the cold air does not go, it's not a good mix for me and my eyes. It gets so dry, and then I just cry. I just wanted to take you and show you these really beautiful trees here along this walkway. Isn't this nice? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's get a picture of that. So typically in the summer, it gets busy here. This right here is the rose garden, and I did a video here before in the summer, and I went in there into the rose garden. It's really beautiful. So it's all closed off now for the season. But I used to come here a lot with my mom. Every summer, we would come here and just wander around and look at the flowers. She really enjoyed that. Oh, look at the puppy. Look at him, he's loving it. Hi. Hi there, are you having fun? Hi. Hi, what's your name? Hello. Hi, cutie. You're so cute. Are you having fun in the snow? Aw. Hi. Bye, see you later. He's having fun. He's got his little booties on. Keep him warm. So you can see there's lots of mature trees here and hedges. And this goes way out there. There's lots of places to walk and explore out there. Just a really, really lovely place to walk around. So yeah, I used to come here, like I was saying, with my mom quite often. Oh, this almost looks like a fireplace right here. That's interesting. Let's go see that. Wow. I wonder what that is from, why that's here. Was there a house here before? That is so cool. That'd be nice to have one of those in your yard, wouldn't it? Okay, let's carry on. So this is just like the outskirts right here of the whole garden. And you can see here, there's a greenhouse here where they grow some things. You can hear him. Oh, there he is, way up there. There's a blue jay up there. Hi, blue jay. Are you calling your buddies? I don't know if you guys can see him or not. There he is. Beautiful bird. Okay, see you later, blue jay. So, of course, I forgot my gloves today. Stupid me. But my thumb is feeling cold, but that's okay. I will manage. Just noticed there's someone here flying a drone. I can see it. That's so cool. Well, I guess that's a good place to do that, right? There's lots of open space here. So this building right here used to be an ice cream shop. And in the summer, they'd have benches out and I think picnic tables sometimes where you can just enjoy a nice ice cream on a hot day. Okay, so now we're making our way here. In the summer, along the left-hand side right here, there's usually a large vegetable garden that the students plant. So it's really neat. You can walk through it and see everything they're growing. And on the right here is a hedged area where there's beautiful gardens in there too. There's so much to explore in here. Even just like if you like going for nature walks, this is a nice place to do that. And on the other side of that hedge, right over here, there's a walkway there too. You can walk there. I'm actually going to stop up here somewhere. I'm going to see if I hopefully have my gloves in my backpack. So I got to find somewhere I can park this. Oh, there's a bench over there. Should we go there? Yeah, let's go there. Oh, not through the deep snow though. I'll try up here a little bit. Look at this gorgeous tree. Look at these big, massive, beautiful trees. That's another thing here too, is there's lots of really unique trees that you might not see anywhere else. And they have them here, and a lot of them have tags on them that have their names. This one here is really cool. Right over there is the butterfly conservatory, and it's going to be open again, I think starting tomorrow, the 31st, which is exciting. Things are starting to open up. Oh, I can see all the tracks from the animals. That's a little hint of hopefully what we're going to get to see a little bit later. Oh, there's a bunch of benches up here. Okay, I'm gonna park over here and hopefully have my gloves. I don't know why I didn't think of that in the first place. I should just automatically have that in my head no matter what, especially when it's cold. Looks like that. There's a pathway right there that's all clear, so we're gonna go down there. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this down here for a minute. Let's give you something to look at. You don't have to stare at nothing. There we go. Well, I think I'll just switch hands for now, and then that way, there we go. That way that hand has a little bit of a break, even though I'm holding my cafe mocha in that hand. Oh, right, I was gonna go this way. Okay. Nice view of this area, all the nice trees and snow. It does look so pretty in the snow. Oh, there's a doggy. Here comes another doggy. Hi. Hi there. Are you friendly? Is your puppy friendly? Oh, hi. Hi. Pardon? Aw, hi! Are you barking at me? Hi! Hi! Not sure about me, maybe. Hi! Hi, puppy! You're all dressed nice and warm. Puppy, come. Finish. Come on. Puppy. This is a nice place to walk, eh, with the dog. Probably Ellie has fun in the snow. Sorry, puppy.
Like 10 years old.
Oh, really? Oh, so this is her place then. She knows.
She knows every corner. Okay,
Aw, it was nice meeting you.
you gonna sit, Pippi?
No. Says no thanks. Aw. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Oh, this cute puppy. So I hope, oh, there's another person coming with a dog. See, that's another nice thing. You can bring your dog for a walk in here. It's really nice for that. I've seen people cross country skiing through the park area. The one day when I was out for my drive, which I like to do on Saturdays. Hello. Hi. And I think in my video I did in the summer here, I mentioned that this place is very popular for photos, weddings, wedding photos. They get done that. They do that a lot here. Oh, and there's just a pond area here, but is it drained? No, it's not drained. It's all covered with ice though. Just over here to the right, there's like a line of trees that goes all the way down there. Hello. So across here, there's a whole bunch of trees that line the property, and there's like a pathway through the trees, and they're all some type of fruit tree, so they bloom. A lot of them are cherry blossoms, so in the springtime it just looks amazing. So if you ever travel this way and you want to see some nice trees in the spring, this is where you can come and see that. Wow, look at these beautiful trees too. They're so nice. And you can see they have this, some areas fenced. I think because of the deer. They get deer out here, and the deers might eat some of the plants. So they fence it off so they can't get in there. My nice hot beverage is no longer hot. It's cold, but it still tastes good. Oh, look at this nice tree here with all the pine cones on it. It almost looks like a balsam tree. I don't know if that's what it is, but it looks like that, like a Christmas tree. Another really nice one. There's so many nice trees. You know me and my trees. But these ones up here, they're huge, gorgeous. I wonder how tall that is. Oh, I'm glad they have all this pathway cleared off for people to walk through here. Some people went off that way, made their own pathways down there. I'm wondering, should we go that way? I'm not really sure. thinking about it. Well, let's walk down here a little bit more and see how it is when we get to the end of this area. See where it goes. I hope everybody had a good week so far and you had a good weekend. I had a really nice weekend myself. I went for my drive yesterday, which I really enjoy. Look at this tree here. It has so many pine cones. Let me see if I can get a close-up of that. So many pine cones on that tree. What a nice tree that is. Okay. Well, let's do something fun before we go any further. Do you remember when you were a kid and then it would snow? I don't know if I can do it. No, I can't do it here. It's too deep. But you know how you would go and then you'd make a trail and then you can do like a loop around and there's so many different pathways you can make. I used to love doing that. I wanted to do that right now, but it's way too deep. I'll save that for another time, maybe when it's not so deep. So you can see here, this just goes, sorry, I keep showing my cafe mocha. So down here, the property goes all the way out there. See, there's so much places you can walk here. You can just keep going and going, exploring. Same with on this side, up until you see that thick growth of trees over there. Sometimes there's interesting animals in there, I've noticed on my drive. I'm not going to tell you yet what it is because we're going to try and go see that. See if they're there. Hoping. See, isn't this nice? There's a bench here. Hidden in the little shade of the trees. You can just come and sit here, read a book or take a nap, whatever. Just enjoy yourself. Spend some time here. It's very peaceful here too, which I really like. Oh, see this tree here has a tag on it. Let's see what it says that it's called. This is called a Norman fir. And then it's got the scientific name. You can see that. It even has a number too. See if we see any other trees up here that might have some tags. A lot of them do, some of them don't. This one here is really interesting. It's got some little pine cones on it, like thousands of pine cones all over it. I wonder, I don't see any tag on it. It's another nice tree though. Like this just loops back around. You can see lots of animal tracks over here. Looks like some people went this way. Wonder if we could go that way. Sure you could. head this way because there's a street over here and that's where I want to go. You can see they have some nice birch trees here too, beautiful white birch. Can you see them? Close up of that. See somebody walking up there. Oh, my hands are getting cold. The rest of me is okay. Just my hands. I know I'm gonna get yelled at by somebody. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me because I didn't have my gloves. Okay, so there's footprints going out here. And this path goes and loops around. So I wonder if I'll be able to get to the road from here. This is quite a nice walk though. It's a beautiful sky. It's a gorgeous day, beautiful sky, nice clouds. The sun is slightly peeking through. It's not too terribly windy, so I can't really complain, except it's just a little chilly on my hands. Okay, this seems to be looping back around and it's going away from where I want to go. So I need to cross. I wonder if I can get over there somehow. Okay. Let's try. Oh, there's more people walking there with their dog. I'm gonna try to cross here. I hope it's not super deep. Some parts are. Yeah. Oh no, this is pretty deep. I wonder if it's better over there. Not really. Okay, I have to pause it for a minute. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to go back to my truck and then I'm gonna park in a different area because I cannot get over there. See, way over there? That's where I want to go, and the snow is really deep. So, like, it looks like it's okay in some parts, but others, not so much. So I'm gonna make my way back, and then we're gonna park in that different spot, and then we'll walk from there. But let's just enjoy this part right here, and then we'll continue on. Oh, and I also wanted to say, for those of you, not that you're interested or not, I don't know, but I have a link on my channel page for Buy Me a Coffee. And if you enjoy my content, if you enjoy my videos, I'd love it if you would consider buying me a coffee sometime. That would be great. I'd really appreciate that. And what else? And I'm also on Instagram, and I haven't figured out how to link my Instagram to the YouTube. So I don't know how to do that yet. So I just write on there, follow me on Instagram, because I don't know how to do that, but I'll figure that out. I'm still learning as I go along. And I do enjoy myself on these walks, and I hope you do too. Oh, there's like a cool house right here. I wonder what that is. Like a bat house maybe? Could be what that is. Oh, see? It goes out here. Okay, but that leads to, there's a parking lot over there. So I'm gonna drive over there. That way I don't have to freeze so much. My hands are starting to get red. Okay, so we're just gonna make our way back, and I'm gonna pause it until we get to the other parking lot. We're just right near Ontario Hydro, and there's an area here where you can see them. Oh, there's even more we can see today. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Where there's deer, and there's even turkeys here today. So I brought some apples and carrots. I read that it's okay to feed them apples and carrots. So there they are. Aren't they pretty? I don't want to scare them. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see other people have been here and brought them some things. Look at the turkeys. Oh, they're enjoying their treats. So I read, hi! Hi there! So these are white-tailed deer, I think they're called. I don't know what that is in the wrapper there. Here. There you go. It's a good apple. Yeah, enjoy that. Oh, it's eating it. Oh, good. She likes my apple. She likes it. So these are does. Which is the female deer. Hi there. Hi, it's okay. So yeah, they come out here. It's all fenced in, so people cannot get in there. They can't get out, but there's a huge area where they have to roam around in there. This is all fenced off because of Ontario Hydro. So I'm gonna get out a few carrots. Let's see if they're gonna eat them. Throw them. There you go. You gonna come and see that? See if you're gonna eat that. Get some more apples out. Aren't they beautiful though? Look at these turkeys. It's really unique. But so when I come for my drive, sometimes I drive by here, and then one day I noticed there was a man out with a huge camera set up here, and so I stopped, and then I noticed the turkeys, and then way out there was some huge bucks out there, but I haven't seen any since then. But I see the does come out here, and even some really young ones have been out. Another apple. There you go. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Oh, they're really enjoying those apples. It's good. So I read that they like to eat mushrooms, and they eat acorns and chestnuts. And I read that when they can't find food, they eat the bark off of trees. Sometimes if you see the bark off of trees, then you know why. They've been eating it. Aren't they beautiful though? Hi, it's okay. And turkeys here. I don't want to scare them. Want another apple? Somebody threw out some feed for the turkeys. And you can see people hung things here too for the squirrels. There you go. Oh, I scared them. I didn't mean to scare you. It's okay. So it would be nice if a big buck came out here right now. That would be nice to see. Yeah, they all kind of hang out, and then there's like a huge area that goes down this side road all along down there, and you can see them along there too. So if you ever come out for a drive on the Niagara Parkway, stop along past the Ontario Hydro building, and there's like a roadside stop here, a little roadway off the main road, and then you'll see them. Oh, I see a squirrel. There's a squirrel there. Yeah, there's like quite a few turkeys here today. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, where's the other deer? Don't leave! No, don't leave me! Here you go! Something's spooking them, or I'm scaring them? I don't know. So yeah, that's something unique to see. Just thought I'd show you. That's what I like to do on my Saturdays. I come for a drive, and sometimes I stop here and just to look at them. Oh, they're all getting mad at each other. They're fighting each other. It's neat. They like scratch. They scratch into the snow to get at the food. They make cute little noises too. Hi! And I also heard that deers cannot see that well, but they hear really, really well, and their smell is very strong. They can smell things really, really well. Are you leaving? Okay. Bye. See you later. Oh, they're gonna go now. There they go. Oh, they're just gonna hang out there now. They have other places to go now. Alright, well at least I got to see them. Oh, there's Mr. Squirrely right there. He's enjoying some goodies too that people leave for them. He's so cute. I don't know what squirrels would like besides nuts. Sure, they eat other seeds too. Hi! Hi there! Hello? Do you want an apple? I don't know if you're gonna eat that. you can try. No? You want to see what that is? No, not your thing, eh? That's okay. Well, you're kind of curious about it. I know, it's kind of hard to eat that, isn't it? Hi. Are you having a good day? You're so cute. You're just having fun out here. Alright, well, those deer are still there. Still hanging out way back there. Let's walk along here, see the turkeys a little bit. I don't want to scare them either. It's okay. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it for today's walk. I hope you enjoyed the nature walk in the snow, and then the nice treat of seeing the deer and the turkeys. And stay tuned for the next video. And bye for now.